Hi everyone, I'm Joe Huang from Human-Centered Autonomy Lab, University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. I'll present our work on learning sparse interaction graphs of partially detected pedestrians for trajectory prediction. Trajectory prediction is important for mobile robots to safely navigate through human crowds. We're focused on the problem that given trajectories of pedestrians in an observation period, predict their trajectories in the following prediction period. Previous works usually hold two assumptions that may prevent them from being smoothly deployed in robot applications. The first assumption is they only consider pedestrians who are tracked at each time step in interested observation and prediction periods. Pedestrians who join the scene too late or leave the scene too early will not be considered. The incomplete pedestrian data can cause bias modeling in social interaction. The second assumption is the target agent pays attention to all pedestrians in the public scene, even if the scene has a high crowd density. The target agent may be affected by non-influential distant neighbors. Excessive influence from neighbors in close proximity can also lead to overly conservative target behavior. To handle these assumptions, first, our work takes partially detected pedestrian trajectories as input. We consider pedestrians who appeared at some time steps during the interested period. Second, we impose sparse connection, such that the target agent pays attention to n most important partially detected pedestrians at each time step, where n is a hyperparameter. We name our work as Gumbel Social Transformer GST, and here is the workflow. We encode the observed trajectories of partially detected pedestrians into fully connected interaction graphs. We apply self-attention to obtain categorical distributions over edges which connect the target to its neighbors. We then use Gumbel softmax to sample sparse interaction graphs. We use this sequence of sparse interaction graphs to spatially and temporally encode pedestrian features. Then the encoded features are decoded to generate positions at the next time step. The encoding and decoding process recurred until the end of the prediction period. We evaluate our work on each scene of ETH-UCY benchmarks independently. Our work reaches state-of-the-art performance compared to baselines in terms of the metrics including average offset error, final offset error, and negative log likelihood. We perform a comparative study over various configurations of GST. In addition to ETH-UCY, we include 4 scenes from ChessNet++ challenge. We found GST performance is affected by crowd density of the scene. We also observed that using partially detected pedestrians as input generally has a better performance than fully detected pedestrians. Here are some qualitative results. We can see the sparse interaction graphs evolve through time as target will pay attention to different neighbors as people are moving. We further evaluate GST model in multi-agent simulation. We found in a sparse setting, the robot can navigate through crowd, while in the full connection setting, the robot is affected by all neighbors and makes an unnatural U-turn. By considering partially detected agents, both robot and the right pedestrian avoid running into the other one who appeared later in the scene. By imposing a sparser configuration with a smaller n, the robot motion will not be affected by unimportant randomly moving neighbors. Thank you. For more results, please contact us or visit our website.